NetApp for us is a very important and strategic part of our business. We decided to invest in building this relationship about 2 years back, and since then we've seen tremendous amount of focus from both organizations, which is Quantum and NetApp. And today I think we are at a stage where we can call each other a strategic partner, and looking forward to the road ahead to build this as a great business. I think the most important fact is that we need to understand where the industry is moving and what the customers are going to ask for in future. Essentially, data management, data growth and availability are going to be the key factors for most of the IT companies from their investment standpoint. So it was very important for us to understand as to what fits in best, and we only wanted to have best of the breed in our portfolio, because we essentially cover all gamuts of IT infrastructure, starting from data center build to populating it with the enterprise computing infrastructure, storage infrastructure, and then managing it for our customers. So it was very imperative for us to go look for a partner who could give us a best of breed products on whom we can reside our services, as well as build this as a business which fits well into the customer future requirements also. As I said, since it becomes an important part of the portfolio, and we saw it as a key differentiator in the market, which we could use to go back to our customers and give us maybe talking points which the customers wanted to hear. So somewhere it has worked well for us, because we see that the direction that the industry is taking, and the role storage management and availability is going to play, it fitted very well into our portfolio. Services is a very essential part of business for any system integrator. Or today, products can only get you to build a relationship with a customer from a starting standpoint. But the moment you're looking at deepening the relationship and sustaining it over years, so that it gives you and your customer a mutually beneficial growth over years to come, you have to look at services, and that's where I think our tie-up with NetApp and the services associated that come with it plays an important role. Because look at most of the companies which are doing well in the industry, whether in India or across the globe. You would see the companies who have built a strong service order book are the ones who are benefiting from the investments in terms of time and money did in that business earlier, are the ones who are gaining it now in terms of benefits from that. So services has been a focus area for us for more than a decade now, and we continue to invest in it. The next round of investment will come in form of building a TAC for Quantum for NetApp, building a authorized service provider partnership. We are already in the process of that. Most of the certifications and skill building has already been completed. Now it's only the documentation and the legal activities which are left. So once we complete that, we will be a authorized service provider as well as a TAC for NetApp, and we'll continue to build around that. As I said, ASP is one of the key in terms of growth from services standpoint. From a business standpoint, I think the investment will come in form of putting a larger and a stronger team which will run this business for us. From an account and a customer standpoint, so we are focusing already on 2 to 3 verticals which are very important to NetApp, and we plan to grow it to cover all the 5 or 6 verticals where NetApp wants to focus on. So that's where we see investment coming in.